It's 3 a.m. Your payment system is down. You need to know what server is it on? What database does it use? What applications depend on it? Who can you call? You're frantically searching emails, spreadsheets, tribal knowledge. Chaos. There's a better way. Enter CMDB. Imagine a library with thousands of books but no catalog system. Finding one specific book? Good luck. Now imagine a library with a complete catalog, search by title, author, topic, and instantly know exactly which shelf, which row. That's what CMDB does for your IT infrastructure. CMDB stands for Configuration Management Database. It's your single source of truth, a centralized repository that stores detailed information about every IT asset in your organization and, crucially, how they're all connected. Think of it as the blueprint of your entire IT infrastructure. So what's a configuration item or CI? It's anything valuable to your IT service. Hardware like servers and laptops, software like applications and databases, services like email or payment systems, even people, documentation, and contracts. If it's part of delivering IT services, it's a CI and belongs in your CMDB. The impact is massive. Without CMDB, IT teams waste hours searching spreadsheets, outdated docs, and tribal knowledge. Changes take forever. Incidents drag on. Audit is a nightmare. With CMDB, everything's at your fingertips. Instant visibility, fast changes, quick incident resolution, automated compliance. Companies save hundreds of thousands annually just from reduced downtime and efficient operations. CMDB has 3 core components. 1. Configuration items, the what, all your IT assets from servers to software. 2. Attributes, the details, every property like specs, location, owner, status. 3. Relationships, the connections, how everything links together. Combined, they create a complete living map of your IT infrastructure with every detail and dependency. This is where CMDB becomes powerful. See the customer portal? It runs on a web server, which sits on a VMware host in Data Center Building A. It connects to the customer database, uses a payment API, supports the sales team, serves 5,000 customers. Now imagine that payment API fails. Instantly you know. Portal affected, 5,000 customers impacted, sales blocked, $50,000 hourly revenue risk. That's the power of relationship mapping. Real scenario, 2 a.m., production database server crashes. Without CMDB, engineer spends 2.5 hours frantically searching docs, calling people, testing what broke. Chaos. 8 hours total resolution. With CMDB, 5 minutes. Search the server. Instantly see it supports HR system, inventory, and reporting. 150 users affected, payroll at risk. Contact database team immediately with full context. Proactive communication to stakeholders. Problem solved in 45 minutes. That's CMDB's power. The benefits are transformational. 1. Incident resolution 70% faster because you instantly know what's affected. 2. Change success rate jumps to 95% with accurate impact analysis. 3. Save to $50,000 annually by finding unused licenses, redundant systems. 4. Audits that took weeks now take hours with automated reports. 5. Security vulnerabilities identified 10 times faster with full system visibility. 6. Communication improves dramatically. Everyone knows who owns what. How does data get into the CMDB? Multiple automated sources. Discovery tools scan your network 24/7 finding devices. API integrations pull real-time data from VMware, AWS, Azure. Asset management tools track hardware. Service desk links incidents to CIs. Monitoring tools update status continuously. Cloud platforms sync resources. And yes, some manual entry for business context. The key? Automation. Your CMDB stays current without manual effort. Important distinction. Asset management focuses on ownership and cost. What we bought, how much, warranty, depreciation. It's financial. CMDB focuses on relationships and services. What depends on what? How things connect. Service impact. It's operational. Best practice? Integrate both. Asset management handles the financial life cycle. CMDB handles technical dependencies. Together, they give you complete visibility, financial and operational. CMDB maturity has 5 levels. Level 1, basic spreadsheet inventory, 30% coverage, mostly manual. Level 2, data from multiple tools but siloed, 50% coverage. Level 3, consolidated CMDB pulling from sources, 75% coverage, emerging single truth. Level 4, optimized with automation, 95% accurate, full dependency mapping. This is where magic happens. Level 5, strategic asset driving business decisions beyond IT, 98% coverage, AI-driven insights. Most organizations are at 2 or 3. The goal? Reach level 4 for maximum value. 4 common CMDB challenges and solutions. 1. Data quality issues. Implement reconciliation rules. Automate discovery. Establish governance. Validate changes. 2. No ownership. Assign CI owners. Conduct regular audits. Integrate with change management. Track quality metrics. 3. Scope creep trying to track everything. Start small with critical services. Define clear scope. Expand gradually. 4. Low adoption because nobody trusts it. Prove value early with incident response wins. Integrate into workflows. Communicate successes. Make it user-friendly. 8 CMDB best practices for success. 1. Start with service-critical CIs. Don't boil the ocean. 2. Automate everything. Manual updates fail. 3. Define clear CI classes and required attributes. 4. Establish data governance with ownership and accountability. 5. Integrate tightly with ITSM processes. 6. Focus on relationships, not just collecting more CIs. 7. Regular health checks with data quality metrics. 8. Measure and communicate value with ROI metrics. Follow SPC on Tenuethis, and your CMDB becomes trusted. ServiceNow CMDB is incredibly powerful. CI class manager with 300 plus predefined classes. Interactive relationship mapper for visual exploration. Automated discovery finding and updating CIs continuously. Impact analysis for what-if change scenarios. CMDB health dashboard tracking data quality. And service-aware CMDB connecting IT infrastructure to business services. We'll explore all this hands-on in Part 2. See CMDB in action during incidents. User reports customer portal down. Agent searches CMDB. Instantly sees it runs on specific web server. Connects to database. Depends on auth service. Relationship map shows auth service is down. That's the root cause. Map also reveals 3 other apps affected. Agent contacts auth team with full context. Declares major incident, proactively notifies users. Auth service restarted, everything recovers. Resolution? 18 minutes. Without CMDB, hours of blind troubleshooting. That's the difference. CMDB transforms change management. Change request, upgrade customer database. Without CMDB, hope nothing breaks. With CMDB, instant impact analysis shows exactly what's affected. Customer portal, inventory system, reporting, full list. It identifies which business services are at risk, who must approve, required testing, rollback needs. CAB makes informed decision with complete picture. Change executes smoothly, zero surprises, all apps verified. Change success rate jumps from 60% to 95%. CMDB eliminates the guesswork. Now let's talk CSDM, Common Services Data Model. What is it? CSDM is ServiceNow's framework that defines what to track in your CMDB, how to organize it, best practices for implementation, and standards for consistency. Think of it as the blueprint for building a great CMDB. It's not a product you buy. It's ServiceNow's opinionated guide based on thousands of successful implementations. It answers the question, we know we need a CMDB, but how do we structure it? CSDM is the answer.